serve as a continuation of Mr. Mojica's discussion on teacher competences. Building on his insight, I, Precious Kate A. Madal, present this report focusing on the specific pedagogical, professional, and interpersonal skills that contribute to effective teaching. It highlights how these competences help teachers create a positive learning environment, support in student growth, and continue developing professionally. Pedagogical and professional competences, curriculum and instruction skill in developing curriculum planning, lesson in integrating art, the broader curriculum, classroom management efficiently. So, classroom management, ito yung kakayahan ng teacher na ayusin at kontrolin ang klase ng maayos at efficient. Ibig sabihin, alam niya paano panatilihin ang focus ng student, maiwasan ang gulo at siguraduhin productive ang learning sa classroom. So next is assessment. Proficiently in evaluating student work and providing constructive growth-oriented feedback. So assessment, ito naman ay tungkol sa pagsusuri ng gawa ng mga estudyante. Ang teacher ay marunong magbigay ng feedback at makakatulong sa estudyante para ma-improve hindi lang basta grade kundi comments na nagtuturo kung paano pa siya mas gagaling. So next is adaptability, the capacity to adjust teaching methods to meet diverse student needs and learning skill. So ito ay ang kakayahan ng teacher na mag-adjust sa iba't ibang pangangailangan at learning style ng mga estudyante. Halimbawa, kung may student na mas natututo sa drawing o hands-on activity, marunong si teacher magbago ng paraan ng pagtuturo para mas maintindihan ng lahat. So, continued learning, a commitment to ongoing professional development to stay current with new techniques and educational strategy. So, continued learning, ibig sabihin nito ay ang teacher ay patuloy na natututo, nag-a-attend ng training, seminars at nag-aaral ng mga bagong teaching strategies para makasabay sa mga pagbabago sa education. In short, hindi siya tumitigil sa pag-improve bilang guro. So next, interpersonal and emotional competences. Communication, strong verbal and non-verbal communication skill to explain concept, give feedback, and listen to student. Communication naman is, ito ay ang kakayahan ng teacher na magpaliwanag ng malinaw gamit ang salita or verbal at kilos or facial expression or non-verbal. Malaga ito para maipaintindi ng maayos ang lesson at makapagbigay ng feedback at makinig ng mabuti sa estudyante. So, empathy and patience, the ability to understand and respond to student emotional and social needs. Empathy and patience, ibig sabihin nito, marunong si teacher mintindi at makiramdam sa nararamdaman ng mga estudyante niya. May haba ng pasensya siya sa pagtuturo, lalo na kapag nahihirapan ang bata. Naiintindihan niya na bawat estudyante ay may kanya-kanyang pinagdadaanan at paraan sa pagkatuto. So, next is relationship building. This skill to build positive relationship with student and commitment to fostering their self-esteem. Relationship building, ito ay ang kakayahan ng teacher na makabuo ng magandang relasyon sa student. Pinapakita niya na may malasakit siya at gusto niyang magkaroon ng tiwala at respeto sa classroom. Sa ganitong paraan, tumataas ang self-esteem o kumpiyansa ng mga estudyante sa sarili nila. Next is resourcefulness, the ability to use available research created to enhance and learning experiences. So, ibig sabihin, madiskarte si teacher. Ginagamit niya ang mga material or resources na meron siya sa creative way para mas maging masaya at epektibo ang learning. So, kahit limitado ang gamit, nakagagawa pa rin siya ng maganda at makabuluhang lesson. So, in continuation of Mr. Mojica's report, it is clear that teaching goes beyond simply delivering lesson. The combination of pedagogical, professional, and interpersonal competences allow teacher to guide students effectively, adapt to their needs, and foster a positive learning environment. By continually developing these skills, teachers not only enhance their own practice but also leave a lasting, meaningful impact on the growth and development of their students.